Okay, so this is on a Toyota Highlander. There's a hole there and another one there. This is on the passenger side, A pillar. When you pull this plastic thing away, this whole assembly comes out. This plastic part is left in the hole in the body, and this white long cable tie like thing ends up here, and you can't get this out of here easily. Your instinct is to want to, bend this to the side because it's keyed. I can't really see. There, you can see better in this one. It's keyed, and you think, okay, if I tilt this whole thing 90 degrees, then I can get this out. But you don't really want this out. What you want to do is, while this piece is still stuck in the hole in the car, you take a screwdriver and push this thing in and push this thing in. There's one on each side. When you push those in, then you can pry this whole thing out of the car and then seat it back into this plastic cover so that when you push it in, it should look like this one does. So I'm going to put this one back together and push that all the way in and push this in. And then now this piece you can get back in there by inserting it in the bottom first. The reason I had to take this off was I needed to run this wire. You can see this new wire for the dash cam USB power. And I ran it down here, down, here it is going down this way, and then down. I actually just pushed it into that crack all the way down there. I think what this is when this gets stuck in the car and then the airbag explodes, obviously the pillar gets pushed away from the body, but they don't want this pillar to just be flying loose in the cabin. So this kind of long cable tie part keeps it together, but enough of the gap so the side airbag curtain can come out this way. So there you go.